Hello, are getting more students into the morning meetings. I almost have all of you in now. We will slowly go on with our course, and I think a lot of you have figured out Canvas because I'm getting assignments in and they are being graded. I have a few bugs. I did fix the spelling list. The spelling list is now working. It wasn't published, so now it is published and you're all set. As of noon today. If there is anything wrong, make sure you email me and I'll fix the link. Here's our list for today. Number one, if you need IXL or MobiMax passwords, make sure you email me and I will send them to you so you can practice and get on those websites. Today, we made a goal in our meeting that we will complete the discussion assignment underneath social studies and we will finish current events. Those are the two things I'd like you to send to me today. So you can practice using your Canvas. I think those are the two easiest assignments as far as using Canvas, and that will help you build on some of the other classes. Again, grades are linked to PowerSchool. I don't want you to worry about grades right now, but you are graded on your work. It's going to take us a while to sort it all out, but with Canvas, as I grade them, it should go directly to your PowerSchool. So if you go on PowerSchool, your graded assignments should show up. Give me a week to figure it out. Let me know if you do see it or you do not see it. You can tell me tomorrow at the meeting, or you can just email me. Our 9 o'clock daily morning meetings will continue. Today we reviewed social studies. Tomorrow we're going to go through the language arts section and your short essay that is due Friday. We have a special classroom lunch on Thursday at noon if you'd like to participate. We're just going to open it up and eat lunch together, and I'll let you basically socialize with your friends in class, and it'd be good to just have a relaxed setting where you can talk. Because I think we all miss that right now, something that's not so serious. After that one, we have language arts blocks with Zoom meetings. So if you're on block 1, you have a Zoom meeting on Friday at 9:30. If you're in block 2, you have one at 10, and if you're block 3, you have one at 10:30. Those are all on your dashboard, the links, and you'll go on to those, and basically you're going to share your short history research project. And after this week, things will get sorted out and things will go a little bit smoother, but for now I'm keeping the Zoom meetings rather short and sweet so we can figure out how this Canvas thing is going to work. Our number 8, Mr. Cook has emailed me and has asked that would you please check your Gmail. There's a lot of people who have not accepted his invitation to his math class, and he's trying to get his math class sorted and get you his work. So could you please check your email and make sure you are on his platform. And the last one, if you do need textbook copies and you do not want to read the PDFs, or if you want worksheets instead of the online platform, make sure you email me today so I have time to prep it, and I will be out in the lunch line on Wednesday and Thursday to hand those out for you. I've got a couple of you have emailed me, and I'll be ready to go tomorrow at lunch for those of you who I've contacted already. Other than that, that's our news for the day. Good job, those of you who are sending assignments in through Canvas. If you haven't sent in an assignment yet, I would recommend that you go to the Social Studies tab, click on the discussion, and watch the video, and then add to the discussion. That's the easiest way to get started. If you have any questions, make sure you email me. Talk to you tomorrow.